In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your template on Brevo. We'll walk through opening your campaign, updating who receives it, refining the subject line, customizing the design, reviewing key settings, and scheduling, all in a clear, logical order. Start by heading to app.brevo.com and opening your dashboard. From the main navigation, go to the marketing area. Here you'll see your email campaigns and templates. Pick the template you want to work on and click the edit icon to open it. Begin with recipients. Choose the right list or segment so the message reaches the audience it was written for. If you use segments, confirm the filters are still accurate and make sure any test or suppression lists are handled appropriately. When you're satisfied, click Save to lock in those choices. Next, update the subject line. Keep it concise, action-focused, and aligned with the content inside. Avoid spammy phrases and consider adding preview text to complement the subject. When it reads well, hit Save. Move into the design editor. This is where you shape the look and feel. Use blocks to add or modify content elements like images, text, buttons, patch buttons, and dividers. Adjust sections to control the layout, structure, and spacing, keeping a clear visual hierarchy so it's easy to scan. If you have previously saved elements, open the saved area to quickly reuse consistent headers, footers, or content snippets. Then switch to the Style tab to set global fonts, colors, background, and link styling so everything feels on-brand and cohesive. As you refine, glance at the mobile preview to ensure readability on small screens. When your updates are complete, choose Save and Quit to return to the campaign summary. Back on the summary screen, open Edit Settings to review the essentials. Check personalization so your dynamic fields like first name are inserted correctly and have safe fallback text. Review sending and tracking options, confirming the sender details, UTM parameters, and any tracking pixels you rely on. Verify subscription settings to ensure compliance items such as the unsubscribe link and mailing address are correct and visible. If you need to make a final tweak, hop back into design from here to adjust content without losing your place. Click Save once more. When everything looks good end to end, proceed to schedule. Choose to send now or select a date and time that fits your audience's time zone and behavior. Give it a final review and you're done.